So I'm a busy mama 5, and I really don't cook every single day, big meals. But today is Sunday. I just got out of church, and I wanted to cook us a meal that is going to keep us full and prepare us for the week. Also, it's going to be our lunch for tomorrow for work and school. So come with me as I cook these turkey wings in my crock pot. I'm going to do yellow rice, no, white rice, cabbage, and cornbread. And for dessert, we're going to have a yogurt fruit chocolate bar. And we're also going to have for our drink either a water with fruit, or maybe I do a smoothie or Gatorade. So I don't know yet, but I'll let you guys see. That's going to be our menu for today. And I hope you guys enjoy this cooking section. So as you can see, this is my ingredients that I have. I have my onions, green pepper, red pepper. I have this onion Lipton recipe packet. I have my turkey wings I got from the meat store. I already washed them and cleaned them, so they just sitting there. I'm going to try this time to use potatoes. I'm going to cut some up. I don't know. I'm going to try it and see how it goes. I have my oil, my onion and garlic powder, my Creole seasoning, slap your mama seasoning, my brown gravy, and my chicken broth. And that's my ingredients. And of course, the Ninja Crockpot. Now I am starting a little late. It's 12:11, so my dinner should be ready around 6:30. But you know, that's fine because we usually eat around, but we can't eat early Saturday on Sundays, but it's okay. As long as we eat before 8 o'clock, I'm good with that. So let me get started on seasoning my turkey wings, and let's go. Place my turkey wings on this pan so I can season them. I had them cut up in 3. These were some really big turkey wings. I'm gonna use these also. I really don't want to, but it do be some meat on it, so I'm gonna use them, but season them last.
Just be honest. 내 머릿속에 넌 남아있어 나. Maybe you get it. 너의 맘도 날 찾고 있잖아, babe. Yeah. 조명 사이로 비친 너의 silhouette, no. 끌어당겨 날 너에게로. Make me feel like I've been stuck here in time. I've been drowning, drowning, drowning in your ocean. Drowning, drowning, drowning in your ocean. Drowning, drowning, drowning. So don't be coming for me, 'cause you're not looking for no love. You don't understand what you're doing to me. Judas and the name was Herbie, I'm poetic. Can't handle all of you, no. Oh, no, no. You don't mind turning 걸으면서 I don't know why it's hard to say no. 이미 늦어버린 걸, it's all out of control. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, I'm drowning. I've been drowning, drowning, drowning in your ocean. Drowning, drowning, drowning in your ocean. Drowning, drowning, drowning. So don't be calling for me, 'cause you're not looking for no love. I've been drowning, drowning, drowning in your ocean. Drowning, drowning, drowning in your ocean. Drowning, drowning, drowning. So show me coming for me, 'cause you're not looking for no love.
I honestly use this at least twice a week for my family meals. What I love about it is that it's not just a crock pot, it actually has multiple cooking functions like slow cook, sear and saute, steam, bake, and more. So I can brown my meat, cook the whole meal, and keep it warm in the same pot, which saves me so much time on dishes. I cook ribs in this crock pot, turkey wings, chicken, and cube steak in this cooker, and everything comes out tender and full of flavor. This is definitely one of those kitchen appliances I reach for all the time when I need an easy family meal to cook. I found this yogurt dessert idea on TikTok, and let me tell you something, this is my second time making it and my kids love it. This time I'm going to use some honey made graham crackers at the end, but I didn't kind of like it this way. But next time I cook it, next time I make it, I'm going to just get like the crust and put like a pan at the bottom and then use it. But the kids still love it this way. But let me show you how to make this simple dessert, which is also a healthy dessert for your kids.
I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine. I'm jealous of the seasons as they change, 'cause they seen you through the rain and you ride through all their waves. I'm jealous of your coworkers all day, 'cause they get to pick your brain. And I know this might sound strange, but don't mention none of your exes, erase that list. 'Cause in my mind I gotta pretend that they just don't exist. Ain't even my fault, you're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind fade. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish. All mine. Know it sounds crazy, babe, but I'm jealous. I'm selfish. Oh my, it's supposed to be on my mind. I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish. Oh my.
Girl, I see that you want it, driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh, boy, try to ignore it. Part of me wants to see you read between the lines, and all of the back and forth of signals intertwined. Baby, won't you take your time with loving me, loving me? Your heart be falling right into mine. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best of me. Just know that's all I'm asking for. Don't you call me Casanova? I can see you falling slowly. I'm just trying to get to know ya. We can take the time, come and show me. Rose in the air, aroma. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Don't you call me Casanova? Just want you to love me.
Want this? Isn't it crazy how the stars have fallen aligned? Oh, yeah. But can I be honest? I'm so afraid to fall too deep or float too high. Cause all of this chemistry, it caught me by surprise. Baby, won't you take your time with loving me, loving me? I promise, boy, that we'll be alright. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best of me. It just makes me want you more and more.
Don't you call me Casanova? I can see you falling slowly. I'm just trying to get to know ya. We can take the time, come and show me. Rose in the air, aroma. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Don't you call me Casanova? Just want you to love me. I want you standing right here next to me. No other way, that's how it's supposed to be. We've been going overtime, I'm hoping I'ma leave all the doors wide open, oh yeah. But you wanna turn and walk away, go talk to me. That's all I wanna. Don't you call me Casanova? I'll give you the promise of I'm just trying to get to know ya. I can give you the word, I can give you the word. It's in the air, aroma. Cause I don't wanna have to watch you go. Don't you call me Casanova? Just want you to love me. Don't fight, don't fight. I see you falling slowly. Don't fight, just give it up. We can take our time, come and show me. Don't fight, don't fight. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Don't fight, just give it up. Just want you to love me.
So my son is helping me with the dinner. He is cooking the cabbage. I did the rice and the cornbread. But unfortunately, I burnt the rice, and my other son replaced it and cooked some more rice. But this is something that we do as a family, is take turns cooking or just help each other out with the same meal. And I hope you guys enjoy us cooking this Sunday dinner.
Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. Don't wanna leave it up to fate. I got the key ready to go where you and drive. Take all my worries and my fears away on this ride. It's time we decide. Make it plain as day. We're running out of space. Running out of places to run to, but I know that I want you. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Never enough, babe. And we already started late. And if we leave it up to fate, tell me how long will we have to wait for an answer? Right or wrong. But I don't have no questions to ask. You don't wanna ruin your chance. No, no. So decide, babe, right here, right now. I'll take all the blame if we wrong, but we don't have all day. Running out of space, running out of places to run to, but I know that I want you. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a